Hey there, mga my loves, Gemini! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So yun nga no, bago natin simulan ng inyong reading, reminders muna tayo na hindi po everyone ay makaka-resonate, okay? So piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, wala tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT plus watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. So, kaya naman, ano pang wini-waitings natin? Let's dive right into your reading. So, Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here? Messages for Gemini. Gemini, may agam-agam sa pinansyal or usaping pera. Pwedeng meron ditong short sa finances or may problema regarding pera, pwedeng trabaho or whatever. Or maaaring nag-iisip na umalis sa trabaho pero pwedeng wala pang malilipatan. No? Something to do with finances. Okay? Yung iba, parang nakukuha ko dito, pinagkakasya niyo yung money ninyo or binabudget ninyo in a way. Just take how this resonates. Okay. Gemini. Yung iba nakita ko estudyante, binabudget yung baon. Baka maaaring meron kasing bibilhing project or what. This could be a reading as well. Meron ako nakikita rito na I don't know if you know this or not. Okay. Pero meron dito na person na nasa buhay mo, which is I do see na option. Ibig sabihin, so pwedeng for singles din ito, no? Plus, meron ka ritong taong kakonect, no? Hindi siya yung para sa'yo. Merong isang energy, no, na darating na yun yung para sa'yo. Uulitin ko, hindi yun applicable for everybody, pero nakikita ko rito no, na kung sino man yung kakonek mo ngayon, especially kung meron ngayon, okay? Doesn't have to be na nag-uusap kayo. Pwede, nag-uusap kayo. Pwede rin naman na um, nagkakaroon na rito ng chat or pwedeng kahit hindi niya alam na crush mo siya, nakakita ko rito ni hindi siya yung para sa'yo, kundi merong iba na para sa'yo. Yan, no? Miss yan, eme naman yan. Kasi nakikita ko rito, no, ang tanong mo, no, is, so miss yan, kailan papasok yan, no? Well, I do sense right here that if this is your reading, kung dun ka nagre-resonate, no, or kung dun ka papatak, okay, no, sa sinabi ko, no, you will meet this person right here, first or second half of 2024. So, see, hindi yan ganun katagal, diba? So, yeah, let's get to know anong meron dito for you, Gemini. So, you do have here this Page of Swords energy. See, someone's watching you. Someone right here will definitely enter your world. This is a new energy. So, maaring siya na yon mga babes. Na iba dito may mga estudyanteng nakikinig sa akin, no? As you can see, yan, no? This is a student. Yan, no? So, pwedeng yung iba rito, no, is information overload. Like, literally, drain ng inyong energy. Baka galing kayo school or what. Or baka kayo ito, no, na yung iba hindi naman necessarily estudyante talaga. Pero pwedeng kayo to, no, na after meeting, drain yung energy ninyo or after meeting with the boss or with the company or after dealing with your work, no. Parang feeling ninyo, no, punong-puno yung inyong head of information. No? So, I'm sensing dito na parang mayroong pagod or whatever. Pero I'm also picking up right here that whatever it is that you're doing, no, it's like kailangan mo kasing gawin yan. But I'm also picking up, no, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, someone here's watching you, okay, at maaaring hindi ka nga aware or aware ka about that, no. So, pwedeng yung tao na tinutukoy ko na para sa'yo is yes, sa iba sa inyo, nasa buhay niyo na siya, at matagal na rin niya kayo rito, no, na minamatyagan, matagal na rin niya kayo rito tinatangi, no, at matagal na rin siyang palihim na may gusto sa'yo. So, iba-iba tayo rito ng categories kung ano ang matagal para sa isa't isa. Pero nakikita ko rito 'no, na sinasabi rito na nasa buhay mo na siya para sa iba sa inyo 'no. Yung iba sa inyo 'no, this person will approach you from the back. So, ibig sabihin yung iba is wala pa 'to sa buhay ninyo. Yes 'no. And nakikita ko rito yung iba doesn't have to be na galing kayo sa meeting na basta parang pagod yung energy or yung iba na has something to do with meron kayo rito bagay na pag-aaralan 'no, which is I do sense na parang at first 'no, parang what's this one, challenging for you pero nakikita ko na 'pag matagal na 'yan 'no, magagamit mo 'yan ng bongga. Magiging beneficial 'yan sa'yo. So see, it has something to do with your career, with your job, okay? With the King of Pentacles energy. So, pwedeng may kinalaman nga yan sa school, lalo na kung may student talaga here. And with the King of Pentacles, na pwedeng may co-workers din dito or baka meron ditong mga nagwo-work na, may business, no? So, kung ano man yung information na yun na inaaral ninyo, iba kasi baka kaka-promote nyo lang, no? You're eating your own cake here. Yan. And also, yung iba, doesn't have to be na kaka-promote nyo pa lang, pero pwedeng meron ditong naiatang na very new sa inyo, no, na job. Okay? It's like a job task or job responsibilities. Nakikita ko, no, na sa umpisa challenging yan. Ganun naman talaga mga babes, no? Pero time will come na magagamit mo yan. And see, you're gonna eat your own cake, okay? So, nakikita ko na magiging successful ano man yan, no? Na pinagkakainteresan mong ginagawa ngayon, no? Yung iba may kinalaman talaga yan, no? Sa money. Yan. Okay, so ilatag naman na natin lahat. We also have here another page. So, maaaring meron talagang mga young energies dito sa reading na to. Okay? Pero yung iba pwedeng meron na kayong mga kids and also baka yung iba young at heart. Or baka younger than you yung mga kadil ng iba sa inyo. No? So, nakikita ko rito, no, see, sabi ko sa inyo matagal nang nasa buhay niyo yun eh. Yung iba matagal nang nasa buhay niyo yun. See? Gusto niya na rito with the world card, gusto niya nang tapusin, ano man yung pananahimik niya. So, kung sino man yung emotions and may feelings sa inyo rito, no, nakikita ko rito, no, na gusto niya nang tapusin talaga yung pananahimik niya at lumapit na sa'yo. Yan. So, nakikita ko rito, no, that with the Five of Pentacles energy, may blockage lang sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. Kung sino man yung kadil mo. And also, I'm picking up right here, no, na meron kayo ritong financial talaga na pinagdadaanan na may kinalaman sa money with the Five of Pentacles energy. Okay, pero huwag kayong mag-alala because Page of Pentacles is right here, an opportunity na lumalabas bilang solusyon, no, ang magpapakita sa inyo. So, ibig sabihin, no, Gemini, no, kung ano man itong paparating sa inyo, no, na oportunidad na ito yung magiging solusyon or ito yung sasalo dito sa ini-experience or may experience ninyo na parang shortage of finances or parang what's this one? Challenge or test pagdating sa inyong financial. Okay, so let's set the bottom of the deck. See? Celebration, Four of Wands, energy, Nine of Pentacles, see? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. And death. You have two doors behind you. As you can see, meron ditong rope sa gitna. Meron kayong kailangan tapusin. Okay? And I do say, no? Makita mo. Once na matapos mo yan, you will have this energy of an empress. Abundant, prosperity, stability. Okay? Alam mo yung energy na kukuha ko yung iba rito na parang lagi mo namang sinasabi na masagana na ako ng gano'n. No? May nakuha tayong gano'n. Na parang lagi mo sinasabi na may pagbabago maganda, pero bakit ganun wala? No? You need to cut your fear and self-doubt. Okay? You must understand that God knows kung kailan nila ibibigay yun sa'yo. And it's clearly being said right here. It's a confirmation na ibibigay yan sa'yo. But you need to be patient and you need to trust what's unknown. Diba? Okay? Sino ba dito yung naniniwala kay God at mahal siya kahit hindi naman siya nakita? You know what? Human beings tend to be like this. In order for them to believe what they need to see it first. But how can other people love God so much even though they do not see Him? Diba? So, for those Gemini people out there, no, na nagkakaroon ng self-doubt, celebration is coming. You're gonna drink your own wine. You're gonna celebrate with a champagne on top of the table, abundance, stability, okay? You will be magiging mas prosperity, no? Mas magiging prosper dito, no, ang iyong life, no? And it has something to do with your money and finances. You're not just gonna drink your own champagne, but you will also eat your own cake right here, okay? You need also to search, okay, with the Page of Swords energy. Search whatever it is that you lack within you. Kulang ka ba sa tiwala sa sarili mo? Nagda-doubt ka ba na para ito sa'yo? Naiinip ka ba na makuha na ito agad-agad? Lahat ng yan ay negatibo na mga pakiramdam, pag-iisip, emosyon, no? Kaya kinakailangan mo na yan ay tanggalin mo para nang sa ganon, no, sa likod ng pintuang ito ay magbukas at ang nasa likod ay walang iba kundi ang energy ng kasaganaan, Empress energy. Number 3, magbabalanse ang buhay mo. But you need to make a decision. Judgment is here. Biggest decision to free yourself from being locked. Huwag mong isipin rito na salat ka sa lahat ng bagay. If you think na love is not for you, then what will you attract? Are you going to attract love if you're gonna think that love isn't for you? No, you're not gonna attract love. Kundi mas ma-attract mo yung hindi yan para sa'yo, and then you will keep on waiting and waiting and waiting. At ayaw mo nun. Okay? You need to stay in that positive mindset because that's how everything works. You need to understand that everything is energy. And what you give out to the world will be, okay, the reflection na babalik sa'yo. Diba? So, ang kasaganaan ay nandito, Gemini. Ang pagbabago rito, hindi lamang sa financial mo, no, ang mangyayari, kundi, okay, sa iba pang areas ng life mo. Okay? Pero dito yung financial mo, no, is nagiging significant or nag stand out. Nakikita ko yung pag-angat ng kaperahan mo, pero kailangan mo ritong tanggalin, no, yung pagda-doubt, no. Kasi nakita ko rito ng meron dito, ilan-ilan lang naman na energy na nagda-doubt, pero kailangan kong banggitin, no, for you to be able to analyze, no, na what's wrong. Kasi parang ikaw to, what's wrong? Naniniwala naman ako 'pag nakikinig ako sa'yo, Miss Yan, or sa ibang mga tarot readers or energy readers, naniniwala naman ako na para sa akin 'yan. Pero, what are you feeling? Do you feel down? Or nagkakaroon ka ba ng self-doubt na hindi yan for you? What are those? Those are negative emotions and feelings. And if you give out negative emotions, feelings, and thoughts, what will be reflecting back to you? 'Di ba? Of course, the negative thoughts and feedbacks, yun yung maa-attract pabalik sa'yo, which is dapat hindi. Diba? So, ang kasaganaan is here, ang celebration is here, success, kung ano man yung success para sa'yo, it's coming, it will happen, but you need to release yourself, free yourself from doubts and thinking that you lack something. Okay? So, thank you so much, Gemini. Sarang hail, love, and light.